Time for another safety tip from our favorite tail-wagging safety dog, Savvy. It's Safety with Savvy. Hi, are you ready? Hello?
She's ready.
She's ready. All right,
She's
Savvy,
ready.
letady see. What did you get for us here?
I hate it when they make that noise.
Ooh, that is a large window.
It's a very big window.
That's a very heavy window. Ooh, that's going to go wrong. I can tell already.
Table's already almost maxed out up there.
Come off of that thing.
Oh!
Boy, that's dangerous. Where's it going?
Oh!
Down.
Oh my. All right, well, Savvy, that's a heart-pumping, crazy video you just got for us. What do you have to say about that one?
I'm saying that was not done with safety in mind. They looked like they were attempting it, but there's a few mistakes there, and very dangerous, very dangerous. Please make sure that you have the right people to install your very big and expensive and dangerous windows.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, so, you know, in this episode, we talked about Triple-Pane and how heavy they are. And so there's an example that this is just an extremely heavy window where they had to...
Extremely large.
Yeah, extremely large, extremely heavy, but still kind of the same thought process, right?
Absolutely.
That just when you don't have the right anything, it can just go terribly wrong. And that would be very bad.
And very dangerous.
Very dangerous, exactly. Not safe. Well, thank you, Savvy. I appreciate that. Thank you. All right, shall we say bye? Sign off for now? Yes. Oh, and I get kisses too. All right, say bye. Bye to our friends. Bye.